Let's take a look at example 3. Now, notice that this one is not given to you factored at all. So let's factor this together first, and then I'll have you pause the video to find your 5. So the bottom factoring is easier because it has no number in front of the x squared, a leading coefficient of 1. So we just need to multiply to -6 and add to -1. So that's -3 and +2. The top factoring is harder because we have a number in front of the x squared. So we have to do first times the last, which is -10. I need to multiply to -10 and add to -3. So that's going to be -5 and 2. So I exchange my -3x for a -5x and a 2x. Same thing, -5x plus 2x is -3x. Now I look at the first two, they have an x in common. I have 2x minus 5. Look at the second two, they have a 1 in common. And so it looks like my factors are x plus 1 and 2x minus 5. So this is kind of a lot of messy work, so I'm going to rewrite this. I had an x plus 1 and a 2x minus 5 on top, and an x minus 3 and an x plus 2 on bottom. So, pause the video right now, find your main 5 using our factored form, and then come back to check your answers and see how you did. Let's see how you did. So I have right here, you can check all your answers. If you got anything wrong, feel free to pause the video right here so you can look more closely at my work and figure out what you did wrong. Other than that, I'm just going to move on to graphing. I have everything graphed over here. I like to start with my points, so I know I have to go through my y-intercept. The next thing on the left side of this y-intercept is this x-intercept. It's odd, so I know I need to cross through it. Now I have an asymptote. I can go up the asymptote or down. Can't go up or that would make another x-intercept, so I gotta go down. This asymptote is odd, so if I'm facing down on one side, I've got to face up on the other side, and then curve to my star. On the other side of my y-intercept, come to my next x-intercept. It is odd, so I gotta cross through. Here's my asymptote. Can't go up or that would make another x-intercept, so I gotta go down. It's odd, so I gotta go opposite directions. This one is down, so that one should be up. And then curve to my star. And there you go. Hopefully this is starting to get a little bit faster. The next video we'll do one more example problem, but this one is given in factored form, so you don't need to do all the work of factoring at the beginning. However, when it's in factored form, you got to be really careful with finding the y-intercept and the end behavior. So we'll talk about that in the next video, and we'll be very careful when we do it.